Hey everybody, it's the beginning of an adventure. So it's this weekend out in Oxford, Ohio for graduation from Miami University. We have the rig to pick up everything from school. 4-hour drive, 2 graduations, and the adventure continues. Made it as far as the Bob Evans, so just getting a little something to eat, and I'll be the only one appearing in this vlog. It's what the vibe I'm getting, so hang in there. Okay, made it to the Hampton Inn, and unfortunately, 1 bed. 1 sleeper, 1 bed. 2 towels. We got some work to do here.
Is the whole school, and then Sunday is just the B school.
Yeah.
We're pleased to be joined by John Heckel. Welcome to the vlog.
Thank you.
Heidi, welcome your brother.
Welcome, John.
Yeah.
Well, good morning. It's 6:15. Saturday morning. It's a bit early, but I cannot sleep when I'm in a hotel, so the family's up there sleeping. Keep watching. I'll keep posting, and we'll check in with you a bit later today. I understand there's a ham radio operator convention here at this hotel this weekend. And where else could you walk and see a car with this many antennas? Hey, we're on our way to Connor's graduation, and someone just had a really good idea, which is Connor wouldn't even know if we went or not. But we're gonna go. We'll see you there, Connor. Congratulations. It's a beautiful day. It feels like 85 degrees at the stadium. Well, we made it here, Miami University, Oxford, Ohio, for Connor's graduation from the Farmer School of Business. It's 85 degrees, it's hot, but it's gonna be a phenomenal day. We're so proud of you, Connor. Way to go. Hello. Hell, you're in it already, too late. Congratulations.
Please rise as we proudly present the Miami University class of 2019.
Today, I feel the same excitement and pride that you and your family are experiencing in this moment. I feel inspired by all of you, by the example of love and honor that you have lived during your years here at Miami.
Will the candidates from the Farmer School of Business please rise? It is my honor and privilege to present this
Hereby conferring this bachelor's degree upon all those who have successfully completed the requirements. Graduates, please move your tassel from the right side to the left side and turn your tassel. Maybe seen it. Congratulations.
Well, that's it. Our kid graduated from college. Pretty awesome. Way to go, Connor.
Congratulations, Connor. We love you.
Well, good morning. 7:30. And we're getting ready to go over to Connor's to clean him out from college and move him home. Trailer's still here. That's the good news. And here's our rig. Alright, we're gonna get breakfast and then Isabel and I are gonna go over and get a jump on this work. So this is a blog that jumps around, but just wanted to give you a little bit of a heads up on what we're doing. Well, Connor, moving out of college.
Yep.
Making good progress. Oh, getting there. Looks nice. Connor, it's the big final graduation day from the Farmer School of Business. FSB, as they say, right?
Yep.
Graduating class of 2019.
Good afternoon. My name is Mark Rubin. It's my honor to serve as the Dean of the Farmer School of Business and the Mitchell P. Rails Chair of Business Leadership.
We are capable, and we are prepared to embark on this trek which begins where these red bricks end. Together, we can revolutionize the way business is done. To my colleagues, it's time to begin this next phase of life, to execute our plans, and to make meaningful contributions to this business world in which we are entering. Watch out, world. The Miami University Farmer School of Business class of 2019 is about to join you. And we are going to make a difference beyond these bricks. Thank you.
Yu Ding. Andrew Dean Fishman. Young Young. Connor Michael Coburn. Cole Penton Stark. Zachary Jean Earns. Daniel Patrick Schleitweiler. Hannah Louise Johnson. Amy Rosetta Auburn. Chua Ting Liu.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great pleasure and pride that I present Miami's newest and my fellow alumni and the business and organizational leaders of tomorrow, the class of 2019.
Congrats. Congrats, Connor. Have fun in Kalamazoo.
Proud of you, honey. Love you.
Congrats, Connor. Congrats. Congrats, Connor.
And now shoot me.
I will.
Congrats, Connor. Proud of you.